This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Xiomara Ortega. Welcome to this beautiful and charming home in the heart of Doral. Very private and family-oriented gated community located in a cul-de-sac. This property has a split floor plan featuring a very spacious bedroom and a full bathroom on the first floor and 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms on the second floor. Enjoy an open concept kitchen, dining, and living area while also getting lots of natural light throughout the home. Covered patio with plenty space to entertain, and we can't forget the beautiful pool to enjoy the sunny Florida weather. Walking distance to J.C. Bermudez High School in Eugena B. Thomas. Don't miss out this opportunity. For more information, review the details below.